Kate with WTI. This is my automatic feeder for my cat Kike by PETLIBRO. I love this because I know that she is going to get her dry food every single day at the same time, and it's totally customizable, which is really great. I appreciate that it has this little window so I can see how much of her food is in there, and then also the food tank stores a lot of her dry food, and we use her dry food to supplement her wet, so she only gets a little bit each day, so this is gonna last a while. I don't have to fill it up frequently, and she gets it at the same time every day. We were able to program the time depending on your pet's needs. You can program several different times. You can decide how many servings you want them to get. So she gets this once a day, and it also lets out a little recording of my voice telling her that her food is ready. So it's really funny when we're home to see her reaction to that, especially if she's sleeping. But it's really comforting too to know that if we're away from home or if we're traveling, that she's gonna hear a voice that she's familiar with. It does plug into the outlet, but it also has a battery backup, which is great too. If you are gonna be away from home and something happens, you know that there's a backup so that your fur baby is still gonna get their food. So I'm really happy with this. I think it's great. Just ease of use even when we're home to make sure that she gets her food on time. It's fun for her when the food automatically comes into her bowl, and also just gives us peace of mind for the times when someone maybe is watching her and she's able to hear our voice and she's able to stick to her routine. But that's just my point of view.